Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Focus Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. Started. Pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the power saving toggle, which might not be added by default. I am kind of just looking for it for the first time, and I don't see it. So in this case, we're gonna click right here on this pencil. Swipe down, and I can already see we have power saving mode and ultra power saving mode. I am gonna add both of those. There we go. Once they're added, we can go back, and I'll start off with the ultra power saving mode, as this is the more intensive mode, so it tries to preserve way more battery, and it does give you this kind of different look to the device. It removes wallpapers, removes most of your applications from the home screen, and it prioritizes battery life, which it does state right here that right now we would be getting a 77.5 hours of battery life. Now to quit this, we're going to click right here on this exit button and confirm it, and it just automatically switches back to the normal mode. And going back to the other power saving mode, you can just simply tap on it. This is the one that most people will want to utilize. As you can see, it fills the inlay of the battery green, just so it signifies that it is right now running. And there's a couple things that might be happening in the background, like for instance applications might be terminated in the background, and some other things. So if your device starts to work weirdly in a way that you might not be used to, just know that this is most likely power saving mode doing some things in the background. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by just tapping on a toggle once again. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.